brighter, confidence glows stronger, and every woman carries a light uniquely her own. This is not just a celebration. This is not a celebration of beauty, but for brilliance, of boldness, of dreams that refuse to dream. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to witness beauty, elegance, confidence, and charisma like never before. Welcome to a night where dreams shine bright. This is Mutiati Sibilia 2026.
Napaka-sexy,
Yes. Grabe, I am pretty sure na mahihirapan ang ating judges kung sinong pipiliin nila as best in swimsuit.
Yes, of course, looking at how they moved, how they carry the swimsuit, and their body proportion, talagang mahihirapan sila.
Because as we mentioned earlier, they will be judged according to poise and courage, body figure, and beauty. Centers are the
Honorable
Honorable
Carl Zacate and Honorable Ellen Lispero.
number 1. Enter presenters, thank you so much. This time, we're gonna be awarding our Miss Winsome Smile. Presenters, we are the Honorable John Christopher Bautista and the Honorable... I think I've heard it right. None other than candidate number 1.
Our next award is Miss Lavish Luck Salon and Spa. Of course, to be awarded by our hairstylist, Mr. Joby Palio. Congratulations! And again, the rest of our ladies will also receive a gift certificate.
Beginning with the JNB Hotel and Resort.
Thank you as well to the city government of San Fernando,
The MABL Gadgets Philippines.
Barangay Tagpangin,
The Honorable Francisco Paulo Ortega.
the Honorable Pablo C. Ortega,
The Honorable Maria Rosina Chari Nisse.
Honorable Leonardo Soriano Jr.,
And of course, to our official sound system and lights, stage provider, Flipad Studio. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Grabe! Napaka-grande ang photographer.
we have JL Photography, Kuya Jeff. Ayan.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And para mapanood po natin lahat kung ano nga pa yung mga kaganapan during our photo shoot and video shoot, please, let's all watch this.
Sana'y mahawakan ko ang palad mo. Gusto ko sanang lumapit, kundi lang sa lalaping kaya ka mo. Dalhin mo ako sa iyong palasyo. Maglakad tayo sa hatid ng iyong kaharian. Kaya ko makatulog, naisip ko ang himig ng iyong mata. Nasa isip kita buong umaga ng matawa. Sana'y dalhin mo ako sa iyong bayan, o aking prinsesa. Ako sa iyong palasyo. Magalakad tayo ng iyong kaharian. Laman mong pag-aari.
To be ready and you have no choice, can you pick your question?
Whether you like it or not, candidate number one, you need to answer the question.
So we will be reading the question twice, one in English and one in Tagalog or in Filipino. Okay? So wala naman po tayong time limit for our question and answer. So
Yes.
here's your question. If a powerful typhoon is expected within 24 hours, how would you encourage your community to prepare and cooperate with authorities? Kung inaasahang tatama ang isang malakas na bagyo sa inyong bayan sa loob ng 24 oras, paano mo hihikayatin ang iyong komunidad na maging handa at makiisa sa mga otoridad?
If a powerful typhoon is expected within 24 hours, I would encourage my community through encouraging awareness about the typhoon that is coming and to know the importance of disaster preparedness, because disaster preparedness does not only mean being prepared for emergency, but it is also for us to protect and save lives. And that is why through disaster preparedness, we can help ensure that we are safe and protected from calamities. Because I believe that preparedness begins with awareness. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
candidate
so
number
much,
one.
Henry. Awareness.
Laging handa at aware tayo sa nangyayari.
And now, let's welcome here candidate number 2. Ayan, yung kanyang family. So, how are you feeling, candidate number 2?
But I am thankful because I have my family here and friends.
Ang shala na kanyang ikaw.
Diba? Napakaganda.
Kas na napitpit dagiti nga ako ang steel plate kas dyan.
Yes.
Ang ganda.
So, are you ready? Or may gusto ka bang
bati?
pasalamatan?
Ano masasabi mo sa boyfriend
Oo,
mo?
nandyan kanina
Na taga
in
Ilocano
interview.
Sur.
Thank you so much po sa boyfriend ko
day one, since my pageant last year po. Thank you so much.
Supportive boy.
Sana all.
Mapapasana all ka na lang, ladies and ladies. Asa na si engineer? O dito na. Anong labas? Thank you so much. Alam mo yung ilang taon natin dito na lagi tayong host. Use artificial intelligence responsibly while preserving creativity and critical thinking. In Tagalog, paano magagamit ng kabataan ang artificial na intelihente o AI ng may pananagutan habang napapanatili ang kanilang pagkamalikhain at kritikal na pag-iisip.
We live in a world where technology
It is just a tool, an instrument, but it shouldn't replace us. We're
definitely.
We're better than AI.
And
so to
now,
speak.
I think our next candidate is ready. Candidate number 3.
Grabe.
Hi, candidate number 3. May
Grabe
gusto
ang
ka bang
balakan
pasalamat?
mo.
Diba? Napaka-sexy. May gusto ka bang pasalamatan tonight?
I just want to thank to my sister and to my friends. Thank you kasi pumunta kayo. I thought you didn't come. Thank you so much.
100%.
Yes, and of course, before we proceed to the next part of our competition, we'd like again to thank our sponsors and partners.
Beginning with the JNB Hotel and Resort,
City Government of San Fernando,
MABL Gadgets Philippines,
Barangay Katbangin,
the Honorable Francisco